just revised their home price forecast from their original January 22 predictions based on these past 8 months. You've got to hear this. It's Friday, September 2nd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for our weekly updates. Check this graph out. 5 of the 6 biggest housing price forecasters have more than doubled their appreciation forecast for 2022 from their original January 2022 prediction. Why are these experts confident that home prices will rise, some as much as 16% just this year? Supply and demand still remain factors in pushing prices up. Check out my blog at www.kbartonrealtor.com for a deeper dive on this topic. So, how's the market on the shore? Well, so far overall, home prices are up 10.5% year to date, with Kent County leading at 21.2%, closely followed by Somerset at 19.8% and Caroline County at 18.6%. All counties are up, so values are definitely rising this year. Homes for sale actually fell this past week to 1,226 for sale. 92 properties are coming soon, which is up from last report. 133 came to the market, another drop in the inventory. 87 properties are temporarily off, down further from last week. Contracts rose to 81 from last report. 102 properties went to pending, which is same as last week. 209 properties are consistent with last week's report, selling. The highest sale this past week was in Ocean City for $1,999,575. Rental inventory fell slightly to 53 properties at $1,700 per month. Are you thinking about moving? I believe you should feel confident about buying or selling a home. So call me to talk about how we can make this happen for you. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for September 2nd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton at Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, enjoy your Labor Day weekend.